Oh my god, the Anubis collection. The new CSGO blog post simply says Anubis collection, introducing the Anubis collection featuring 19 weapon finishes themed around the newest addition to Counter-Strike's active duty map post. That's very cool. But before the Anubis collection, I want to thank SkinsMonkey for sponsoring this video. They're a trading site for CSGO skins, and it's just as simple as that. It's a good way to change up your loadout easily every so often to play with some new skins. And they've got a 30% deposit bonus, and if you use the link in the description or put the code Anomaly, you get another 5% for a total 35% deposit bonus. If you're making your first trade, you can also use code Anomaly and get up to $5 for free. They've also got a freebies tab for giveaways, which you can join for free, so if you want to try them out, then please use the link in the description, and thank you SkinsMonkey once again for sponsoring this video. Now, one thing that's very interesting about this update is that it says Anubis collection packages are now for sale in-game. Huh? And oh my god, there it is! Anubis collection package. 1.89 euro. Okay, this is very interesting. We've never had an update like this before, where you can just buy the package. So this is definitely a first. Now, I'm gonna quickly show you all of the skins and let you know what I think about them. And then, of course, we're gonna crack some of these open. First is the R8 revolver inlay. This looks very good for what it is, which is a gray skin. Look at that, like, bone, ivory sort of handle. Very cool. M249 submerged. Kinda clean, but I don't really like it. XM1014 hieroglyph. Okay, this one is pretty cool. MP7 sunbaked. I don't really like this one too much. AUG snake pit. Okay, this is an interesting pattern-based skin. For the light blues, we have M4A1S mud speck. This one I think is really clean because you can kinda see the vanilla skin underneath. Then we have the Scout Azure glyph, which also pretty clean, but a lot of like brown tones, which I'm not too sure about. Also, it says flood warning, so I guess it's like my basement then. USPS Desert Tactical. This one is pretty clean. I like it. Oi, Mac 10 Echoing Sands. This one I kind of like. And for the blues, Tech 9 Mummy's Rot. This one is very interesting. And like many Tech 9 skins, you have this nice little design in the back. Okay. And then you have the insignia of Hillary Clinton here. Ooh, AK-47 Steel Delta. This is like the AK Cartel, just way cooler, I think. This one, I think, is gonna be decently expensive. And look at the magazine. These two, like, 3D lines don't actually exist. That's all in the skin. That's very cool. Same with the barrel. Those 3D grooves, that's all in the skin. Op Black Nile. Oh my god. This is like the Op Graphite on crack. This is really, really, really cool. God damn, okay. Then we have the Mag 7 Copper Coated. Oh my god. I've seen posts on Reddit and 4chan where people's anime figures look like this, and let me tell you, it is not copper. Moving on to the purples, we have Glock 18 Ramses Reach. Oi, I'm pretty sure on my Clips channel, I was talking about the new Anubis collection and like what I was thinking was gonna be in that case, and if I remember correctly, I'm pretty sure this was one of those that I said this might be in the case, and I'm happy it is, because this is very good looking. Like, the top of the Glock just looks like a panorama photo of Egypt. Like, very beautiful. Next purple, Nova Sobex Bite. Oh, shit. Okay. Obviously, you wouldn't, there's no mistake, this is the Anubis collection. And P90 Scarab Rush, but B Rush. Haha, that's very funny. This one is kind of cool, though. I like them scarabs. Reminds me of the Mummy movie. Very clean, very clean. Moving on to the pinks, we have Famas Water of Neptys. Holy shit. Oh my god. Finally we have like a blue Famas, and is it color changing? No, but it's like holographic. Look at the back here. Very interesting skin. And we have the P250 Apeps Curse. Okay, a lot of gold and red and blue. And it looks like this skin is red-pilled to the max. And the two reds, M4A4 Eye of Horus. No, there's only one red in this collection. Okay, Eye of Horus, which looks like this. This definitely, like, stands out. But compared to some of these, I'm a little disappointed. Not disappointed, but I think the gold skins should have been more gold. But other than that, yeah, that looks pretty cool. Okay, so that's the whole collection. Only one red. But what's weird is now you buy the packages. We've never had this before. Always there's an operation, and during the operation you can get it as drops. But now, for some reason, they decided to just straight up sell it. And I have no idea how long this is going to stay in the store. Maybe forever. Maybe this is Valve's new way of further monetizing these collections, instead of just having them as free drops during the battle pass. And maybe also this is what they might do with cases in the future, where they might sell cases in order to combat the rising price of them. But enough talking, let's buy some Anubis packages. And the good thing with this is, I mean, they're not drops, right? So you just buy them, so there's no insane price on the first day like it usually is with cases. And there we go. Okay, now I have 60 of them. Let's crack some of these open. They look kind of clean in the inventory, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, 3, 2, 1, boom. First Anubis collection package opening ever. Very nice. Oh? Okay. And one thing that's worth noticing is all of these skins obviously are on the CSGO version of the model. So this is a CSGO FAMAS, not a CS2 FAMAS. I guess because the last major is played on CSGO, which features Anubis, so they had to do it this way. Oh my god. But this might very well be the last set of skins ever released in CSGO, because then obviously we're moving on to CS2. So unless we get a case or an operation, which I don't really think is gonna happen before CS2, then yeah, these might be the last skins ever released in CSGO. Oh, okay. Our first non-gray, we have the USP Desert Tactical Minimal Wear. Like, how much is this worth? Surely these are all very cheap now, because the case is so cheap. Yeah. 98 cents. Ay, ay, ay. And also, as with any package or collection opening, you know that the chances of a blue are pretty slim. And obviously getting a pink or a red is almost impossible. Battle Scarred. Let's see how much it's worth. 1.3 euro. Damn, so not even a blue is profit. That's unlucky. Oh. This one I'm not actually gonna complain about, because this one looks quite nice. Oh my god, come on, bro. At least this might be the first time where I can actually unbox like a pink or a red from one of these collections. Because now these are 1.85 euro each, or 1.8? 1.89 euro each, which is less than a case. So I might as well just open these until I get the red, maybe. Not today, obviously, though, because it's 6 a.m. and I just woke up. Oh shit, I just realized this is not supposed to look like this. MP7 sun-baked. Yeah, someone left this shit in the sun way too long. Oh, okay, the M4, nice. Mud spec field tested. It's now that I'm noticing many of these grays and light blue look exactly the same. The M4 is 46 cents, yeah. Oh, oi, another, no. Oh, 0.96. My tip to you guys is if you really want a skin from, oi, the AK. Oi, okay, this is clean. I need to look at this one in game after. How much is it? It is 3.29 euro. But yeah, as I was saying, if you want, for example, the FAMAS or the M4, don't buy them now, okay? Because the packages have a set price, it means these skins are all gonna go down in value really quickly, because so many are gonna be opened, that just wait a week or two, maybe even 3, and then you'll definitely be getting the skins at a lower price. Oh, another M4. Nice. I think the reason they released this collection as a package like this is because they know they don't want to put out another operation in CSGO before CS2, so they just decided to ship it as a package, and that's it. Which, I mean, I guess is fair, because I would rather see content for CS2 than I would CSGO right now. Oh, come on, give me the Tech 9. Oh, I just realized something. Because these are not souvenir yet. At the Paris Major, they are going to be available in souvenir, I'm guessing. But right now, that means we can actually use these in trade-ups, right? Yes. Okay, that's quite interesting. Let's see what we can do here. Anubis trade-up. Boom. Ah. USP Desert Tactical, okay. But yeah, that's always nice. That's always nice when you're opening massive quantities of cases, because otherwise you're just stuck with a lot of skins if they're souvenir, because you can't trade up souvenirs. Oh my. Bro, 0.95, please, man. I just realized I'm gonna go onto Anubis and open the rest of these. Because then we're gonna get the Anubis luck. Okay, there we go. Now we are on Anubis. It is nice and quiet and peaceful. So let's ruin the peace by opening a few more. Oi, the AK again. Nice. It is field tested again. What? What? The M249 was fully glitched. It was like full purple. Oh yeah, here as well. Huh? I mean, I've seen this glitch before in the inventory, but I haven't seen it that big while opening a case before. This is probably what it's gonna look like for a lot of you guys while you try to open this, because yeah, you're most likely gonna get just grays or light blues. We haven't had the Mac 10 though. That's pretty cool. We can see the AK now at least, which looks like this. Okay. I'm not gonna lie, still in CSGO, it's quite underwhelming compared to what I know this one's gonna look like in CS2. But yeah, I mean, shit, it looks like something out of the Uncharted game. And the Mac 10 looks like this, which yeah, this definitely fits in Anubis. Oh, I saw the red! Oh my god, I saw it. I fucking saw it. If you don't know, even seeing the red is insanely rare in these packages. This is the same odds, I think, as like opening a cobblestone package, basically, if I'm not mistaken. Which is very rare to see the red. I just realized opening them on Anubis did nothing other than adding chicken sounds to the background. Oh my god, the pink. Fuck! P250 looks so good. Ay, ay, ay. It's just gray when opening this. It's just grays. And the last case, let's see. Yeah. Okay, so this is what we ended up with, minus the skins we did in the trade-up. And as you can see, it's basically only gray and light blue. I am wondering, though, how much does it cost to do a trade-up for one of the reds? The Anubis collection and the pinks, they are... Okay, they're still very expensive. You see, €50, 57. I think this is gonna be maybe a little too much. I know pinks are gonna be very rare, but I just think these prices are probably way too high. Like, look, the FAMAs, there's already 42 of them listed. And the M4 right now in Battle Scarred is 340. Look, field tested, there's 24 of them already in existence on the market. Which, yeah... So yeah, that was the new Anubis collection. I'm still surprised how they decided to release this, since they've never had a package like this for sale before, but I guess they do now, and I guess this is their way of having one final collection in CSGO before we move over to CS2. So, thank you guys for watching. If you want to see me open 1000 Anubis collection packages, then please tell me in the comments and maybe I'll do it. Now, I'm going to go edit this video and then go back to bed because it is still 6:20 AM. Yeah, yeet.